Hello everyone.
Hello,
Today we talk about I gotta check the teeth. My name is Thủy.
I am Thủy.
Start with us.
Yes. Holly, my children driving me crazy.
Jan, you gotta make an appointment with the dentist.
I've got to find one first. I don't have a dentist.
I have to go downtown. Come on, let's go my dentist.
I can't. I have to study.
I gotta go to the dentist. After that, the tooth had to be taken care of.
I know it has to be taken care of, but I've got to get some gas.
Then I gotta go to the dentist.
You know, after that, I have to go to the bank.
Okay, but after you go to the bank, you gotta go to the dentist.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Thank you
all.
for
Thank you
listening to
for
me.
listening. Bye.